Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my topic is satellite, artificial satellite. But as per tradition of my video lecture, I start with the couplet of Latif. Changakan changayung madayung madan. Changakan changayung madayung madan. Jo word jude jansi so word seikan. So now I come at my topic. My topic is satellite, but particularly artificial satellite. Basically, there are two kinds and types of satellite. One is natural. Moon is natural satellite. Moon is revolving around the earth, so that is considered as a natural satellite. Artificial satellite means a satellite which is made by man, scientist. So there are so many different scientists who made artificial satellite, and now the different satellites, they are revolving around the earth. Why they made artificial satellite? There are number of advantages of satellite. For example, we can take study about the atmosphere around this earth. We can take a study about the shape and dimension and the behavior of earth. Similarly, we can collect different rays, waves, which are coming from the different luminous sources like stars and sun. And we can take a study individual of these all rays and waves. And then we can collect information through electromagnetic waves, and we can transmit information through the same source. So in that collecting and transferring knowledge, satellite is playing a positive role. And then we can take care of earth. We can take care of earth because earth is revolving around the sun, and there are different planets, different heavenly bodies are coming from the universe. So for the safety of earth, we can take help from the satellite. So today we are going to do discussion about some detailed points of satellite and how that satellite is working, and how astronauts are working over there inside the artificial satellite, and which type of force is keeping that satellite around the earth. So first point is that earth itself provide gravitational force to satellite, and that gravitational force is converted into centripetal force, and then the satellite is revolving around the earth. For example, this is earth, and this is the orbit of satellite. That is satellite. And this is earth. That is earth. That is satellite. Earth having gravitational field. Earth keeping its own gravitational field. And this satellite is there inside the gravitational field of Earth. You have to note this point. Satellite is not beyond the gravitational field of Earth, but that satellite itself is present inside the gravitational field of Earth, and Earth provides gravitational force to satellite, and that gravitational force is converted into centripetal force, and then satellite is revolving around the Earth. But how much force is required for that, for keeping continuous motion along the Earth? How much force is required? How much velocity is required? How much time period is over there? How long time period is over there? And what is frequency of satellite? So these all topics are associated to satellites function. So first of all, we discuss about the orbital velocity of satellite. So we have two famous formulas. One formula is of gravitational force and other formula is centripetal force. So we can write here, this is Newton's gravitational formula, mass of Earth, mass of body, and this is radius of Earth, and this is first equation. And second equation is centripetal force, due to which that satellite is moving around the Earth. So that is equal to mv square upon r, and this is another equation. This equation is gravitational, showing the gravitational force, and this equation is showing the centripetal force, but this centripetal force is this centripetal force is produced from the gravitational force. So I can write here another formula, and that formula will give us the orbital velocity of the satellite. So I can write, compare equation number 1 and 2. So this will be m v square upon r. This is equal to capital G, mass of Earth, mass, and r. Here I can write here r is equal to like this. So r square. So m is divided into m, and this one r is divided into 1 this r. So here will be v square capital G m e upon r, and here is square. So this will be is equal to capital G m e upon r and 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is this square that is shifted at another side. So this will be v is equal to under root capital G m e upon r, and this is formula of orbital velocity. Now suppose that this is Earth, and I apply force on the satellite, but velocity of satellite is minimum, that is moving down on the surface of Earth. The velocity of satellite is not equal to this. In case the velocity of satellite is not is equal to this, and we means Earth apply force on the satellite for the producing velocity, but that velocity is less than the velocity of this, then the satellite will come back on striking to the Earth, and that satellite is not moving along the circular path around the earth, because velocity is less, still we increase velocity of that satellite, still that velocity is not equal to this, then this satellite once again will come down on the surface of earth. Now we increase the force, applying force on the satellite, and now greater velocity is there, means now velocity is greater than that velocity, then satellite will go out from the range of gravitational field. Now this satellite is not part of earth, now that is escaped, now that is moving away. In which condition? When the velocity of satellite is greater than this velocity, but velocity is less than this velocity, even that satellite will come down and striking to the surface of earth, and that satellite is not ready to move around the earth. What is reason? Reason is that sufficient required velocity is not provided for that satellite. Therefore this is not functioning. But when velocity of satellite is quite equal to this velocity, now this satellite is revolving around the earth in an organized way, there is no any difficulty, there is no any problem to the satellite, because required velocity is given to the satellite, and this satellite is collecting information and transfer that information towards earth, and we are getting that information and we are getting benefit from that information. So this is formula of orbital velocity, that is orbital velocity. We can say when this velocity is there in the satellite, that satellite will be easily revolving, moving around along the earth, and without any difficulty, without facing any difficulty, and that is there. But in any case, that satellite escaping means that satellite is moving away from the range of gravitational field, then what will be there, and how much velocity is required for the escaping satellite from the gravitational field or from its function. So we can derive another relation. So here this is moving around the earth, it means satellite is there in motion, any body is there in motion, it means there is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is there in the satellite, because satellite is in the state of motion. Any body that is there in motion, it means that body keeps kinetic energy. And second is potential energy. Potential energy is also there, because this satellite is at a certain distance from the, so here this satellite is at a distance from the earth, so there is potential energy. There is distance in between satellite and earth, it means there is potential energy, and that satellite is moving along the circular path, definitely there is kinetic energy. So I can write here kinetic energy is equal to potential energy. So 1/2 mv square is equal to mgh mgh. So this is mass is divided into mass. V is equal to 2gh. 2gh. So V is equal to under root 2gh. H means H is equal to R. So this will be GR, and this is equation of velocity. This is equation of velocity. But which velocity? When body keeping this velocity, satellite keeping this velocity, due to this velocity, satellite will be escaped. That satellite will be moving away from the earth. That, and also we can modify this equation. Equation number A, we know G R square is equal to capital G M E, that is there. I can place here what I can write, V is equal to under root G R E upon R E. This will be under root G R E. This is equation of velocity, but this is orbital velocity. This velocity is there in satellite, but on the behalf of this velocity, satellite will not be escaped from the gravitational field of Earth. But when this velocity 2 V is equal to under root 2 GRE. When this is velocity, body will be escaped. When this is velocity of satellite, that is the velocity of satellite, that satellite on this speed or velocity will be moving along the circular path around Earth. This velocity is not sufficient to help the satellite to escape from the gravitational field. But here, this velocity is double over here. That is double. So that velocity is greater, and this velocity is approximately V is equal to 1.2 kilometer per second. That is velocity, and that body will be escaped similarly. So these are two velocities. One is orbital velocity. You can give O means orbital, and you can give E means escape. So this is orbital velocity and this is escaped velocity. So these are two velocities for the two different phenomena and purpose of satellite. But now I come at the time period. What is the time period of satellite? When this satellite is starting to move from a point and it is moving anti-clockwise direction, and that is reaching it again a point, that satellite will take a time, and that time is called the time period of satellite. Proper definition of time period is that when body takes time to complete one rotation, the time which is taken by a body to complete one rotation, that taken time is called time period of that body. But here we have satellite. So what is the time period of satellite? We have to derive its equation. So that is here angular velocity is equal to 2 pi upon t, and we know omega is equal to r V upon R, that is omega. So I place here value V upon R is equal to 2 pi upon T. Means this 2 pi is angular displacement. That is total angular displacement of circle, and satellite is completing one circle. Satellite is moving along the circular path. So we are bound to take angular displacement instead of linear displacement, because satellite is moving along the circular path. So 2 pi, that is angular displacement, means 360, and that angular displacement is covered by a body in this time, capital T time. So distance, angular displacement upon time is called angular velocity, and angular velocity is equal to V upon R. V is linear velocity, R is radius. So I can write here V is equal to 2 pi upon T and R. I transfer this T at this side. This will be T is equal to 2 pi R upon V. Upon V. What is V? V is equal to this. That is V. This is V. I have to put this value. Where is V? There I have to put these values. So T is equal to 2 pi R upon under root capital G mass of earth and R. So squaring both sides, I have to finish under root. So squaring both sides, squaring both sides, T square is equal to 4 pi square R square and upon capital G ME upon R. Take reciprocal multiplication of R. So this will be R T, that is T square is equal to 4 pi square R square into R and upon RME. So this will be T square is equal to 4 pi square R cube upon capital G ME. And we know capital G ME is equal to small g and R square. This is equal to this. Capital G ME is equal to G and R square. That is equivalence of capital G ME. So I can write here T square 4 pi square R cube upon G and RE square. I suppose R is equal to RE. Then this will be T square 4 pi square and here RE cube upon G and RE square. This RE square is divided into this RE square, and there one RE is remaining. So I can write here R square 4 pi square and RE upon G. So I finish the square of time. So this will be T is equal to 2 pi under root RE upon G. This is time period of satellite. That is the time period of satellite. When we place value of pi and value of radius of earth, it means satellite is at a distance. How much at a distance? 6.4 into 10 raised 6 meters. 6 meters. That is at a distance. Means right from here from the surface of earth, and here that is RE distance, and that is 6.4 into 10 raised 6 meters. So we have to place the value of R, and it is constant. It is, you are right, that is distance from the center of the earth to the surface. But same distance is in between surface of earth to satellite. Means right from center of earth to the surface, this distance is also 6.4 into 10 raised 6 meter, right? Same distance is this from the surface of earth to satellite. Satellite is same distance. So we can denote this distance with RE, because in numerical value this distance and this distance is same. Distance is same in its numerical. So I can write here RE. You do not hesitate, that is only distance from center of earth to the surface. You're right, that is distance, but the distance from the surface of earth to the satellite, that is same distance. Same distance means 6.4 into 10 raised 6 meters. That is same distance. Therefore that distance is denoted by RE. Therefore, so this is the time period of satellite. Now the frequency of satellite is F is equal to 1 upon capital T. Means frequency is reciprocal of time period. Time period means satellite takes time to complete one rotation around the earth. Frequency means the number of rotations are completed by a satellite in a unit time, I mean in second. So that is its frequency. It is its frequency. Frequency and time period both are in reciprocal relation or inverse relation. Therefore I can write here where is T, there I can write value equivalence of time period. So this will be frequency 1 upon 2 pi under root RE upon G. So this will be F is equal to 1 upon 2 pi and G upon RE. That is reciprocal relation. So this is formula of frequency of satellite, and this is formula of time period of satellite, and this is formula of the orbital velocity of satellite. This is the formula of the escape velocity of the satellite. So these all formulas are associated to each other. Basically there are two formulas. I mean when satellite is there at a r distance, earth is applying force on the satellite, earth is applying gravitational force on the satellite, and that gravitational force is converted into centripetal force, and satellite is revolving around the earth, and due to centripetal force, now all the formulas, orbital formula, escape velocity formula, time period formula, frequency formula, all the formulas are derived from these two formulas. These two formulas. Therefore, these two formulas are basic formulas, because due to these relation of gravitational force and centripetal force, due to that relation, satellite is revolving around the earth, and during the earth, that satellite keeping number of different quantities like orbital velocity, escape velocity, time period, frequency, and so many other things are over there. So we can say satellite is revolving around the earth, and that is giving us different information, and also there is gravity on the surface inside the artificial satellite. There is gravity, and in some conditions satellite is revolving, spinning about its x-axis. Satellite is spinning about its x-axis like earth is spinning about its x-axis, and due to that motion, gravity is generated, and that gravity support astronauts and other persons who are working over there inside the satellite. So we can say there is gravity inside and on the surface of satellite, because that satellite is inside the gravitational field of earth. So that is topic. So I hope that you will try to easily understand this topic.